Okay, so we're asked to solve 4 times the natural log of x plus 1 equal to negative 2 times the natural log of x minus 1 graphically and round to the nearest thousand. Okay, so to do this, we'll use Desmos. Okay, so now that we have Desmos opened, let's go ahead and solve the equation. So the left-hand side of the equation I'll call f of x, and it's the function 4 times ln of x plus 1. And the right-hand side of the equation we'll call g of x, and that's function is equal to negative 2 ln of x minus 1. Okay, so once again, when you solve equations graphically, you're looking for where the graphs of the function on the left-hand side and the graph of the right-hand side cross or intersect. And we can see that they're intersecting right here at this point here, which would give us a x value of 1.339 if we round to the thousandths place, or 3 decimal places. And that's how we use Desmos to solve this equation.